How to subtract a day from a date. I have a Python datetime object. What is the best way to subtract one day?
You can use a time delta object.
Subtract datetime.time delta days equals 1.
If your Python datetime object is time zone aware, then you should be careful to avoid errors around DST transitions, or changes in UTC offset for other reasons. In general, day_ago and yesterday may differ if UTC offset for the local time zone has changed in the last day. For example, daylight saving time/summer time ends on Sun November 2, 2014 at 2 a.m. in America/Los_Angeles time zone. Therefore, if then day_ago and yesterday differ. Day_ago is exactly 24 hours ago, relative to now, but at 11 a.m., not at 10 a.m. as now. Yesterday is yesterday at 10 a.m. but it is 25 hours ago, relative to now, not 24 hours. Pendulum module handles it automatically.
Just to elaborate an alternate method and a use case for which it is helpful. Subtract one day from current daytime. Useful in the case, if you want to add 5 days and subtract 5 hours from current daytime. I.e., what is the daytime 5 days from now but 5 hours less? It can similarly be used with other parameters, for example seconds, weeks, etc.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.